What kind of impression does your website make for people looking at it? Hey, what's up, everybody? We're talking about DIY website design and why that is a bad idea for business owners. If you're a hobbyist, or if you've got a hobby business, or you're just a solopreneur or something like that, maybe DIY website is the way to go for you. But if you're running a legit business, not that those one-offs aren't legit, but if you want to look like a legit business, then don't give the impression that you designed your website yourself. It might look pretty if you spend enough time on it and you have a little bit of experience with it, and you invest enough time in learning how to use your DIY website builder. But most likely it's going to say at the bottom, website design, like it's on Wix or Weebly or something like that. And everybody knows those are DIY website places, Squarespace, all that kind of stuff. People know that. And so do you want people to know right off the bat that you didn't have the money or the ability or whatever to hire a professional to do a proper website for you? Or do you want them to know that you just decided to do that yourself? Here's the thing. A professional artist is going to create a better painting than you. A professional website designer is going to provide a better website design than you can. It's past your abilities. There's a steep learning curve in website design, and there's a lot more to it, but I'll get into that in other videos. So if you decided to build a DIY website and your competition uses a professional, which one of those websites do you think is going to make the better impression? It's probably the one, your competition, who hired a professional. And that's what your customers are going to see too. And that's what's going to go through their mind, is that, oh, well, this business looks better over here. People that have not been to you before are going to make judgments about you based on your online presence. And they're going to decide whether they go to you or to someone else. So your website starts with your website, man. Get that in order and use a professional so it doesn't look like you created your own website. A professional is gonna know the look and feel that should be gone for, and how to accomplish that, and more importantly, the functionality of your website, and that all that is proper, and it's built on a platform that allows for the functionality and the scalability of that functionality. So think about that, and I'll talk to you on the next one. I'm out.